Since when has garlic been used? Garlic has been used by humans for a long time, probably thousands of years ago. The earliest records of garlic use date back to ancient Mesopotamia, currently Iraq, and ancient Egypt, where garlic remains were found in pharaohs' tombs, and its use was mentioned in medical and culinary texts. Garlic was also highly valued in ancient Greece and Rome, where it was considered a medicinal and nutritious food. The famous father of medicine, Hippocrates, mentioned the healing properties of garlic in several of his writings. As you can see, garlic has been a very important food for humans, and entire civilizations have been consuming it for thousands of years, and it is still consumed daily today. What are the nutritional properties of garlic? Garlic is known for many of its nutritional properties and health benefits. These are just a few of its many nutritional properties. Garlic is a good source of essential nutrients such as vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. It can also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases and certain types of cancer. It strengthens the immune system and helps stimulate the production and activity of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting infections and diseases. That's why it is important to consume garlic if you have any type of illness. Garlic can help fight respiratory infections, dilate the bronchi, make mucus less thick and more fluid, and help reduce congestion and inflammation in the respiratory tract. Garlic also contains vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is essential for protein metabolism. It is necessary for the proper production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. Vitamin B6 is crucial for the proper functioning of the nervous system. Garlic is a good source of selenium, a mineral with antioxidant properties. Magnesium is another mineral present in garlic in significant amounts. Magnesium is important for many bodily functions. For example, it regulates the function of the nervous system and muscles, as well as blood sugar levels and blood pressure. Additionally, it helps in protein formation, bone mass, and DNA, the genetic material present in cells. Garlic also contains some calcium, an essential mineral for bone health. Phosphorus is a mineral found in garlic and is necessary for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. Garlic contains antioxidants, which help protect cells against the damage caused by oxidative stress. It has been demonstrated that the compounds found in garlic have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote overall health. Garlic can help lower blood pressure, LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and triglycerides, which in turn can reduce the risk of heart diseases such as high blood pressure, heart failure, cardiac arrhythmias, and coronary artery disease, which occurs when the coronary arteries that supply blood to the heart narrow or become blocked due to plaque buildup. Garlic has immune-boosting properties, and scientific evidence supports its role in reducing the risk of colds, flu, and other infectious and respiratory diseases by enhancing the immune system. Garlic possesses antimicrobial properties and has often been used as a natural food to combat infections. It may have antimicrobial effects against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, and it has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for urinary tract infections and certain skin infections. What can garlic be used for? Garlic has been used as a natural remedy to alleviate cough, bronchitis, and common cold symptoms. Its antimicrobial properties and ability to strengthen the immune system are believed to help fight respiratory infections and such illnesses. Garlic has antimicrobial properties and has been used to treat fungal infections such as oral candidiasis, which primarily affects the mouth and throat, as well as vaginal infections and bacterial infections in different parts of the body. Regular consumption of garlic has been suggested to help lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. Some studies have found evidence that certain compounds present in garlic may have a favorable effect in helping to relax blood vessels. Garlic has been studied for its potential to help reduce levels of LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood. Some research has shown that garlic may have a modest effect in reducing total cholesterol and triglycerides. Garlic may be beneficial for overall health and may have positive effects on inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. The role of garlic in the prevention of heart and vascular diseases has been investigated. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties have been associated with heart benefits. When is garlic not recommended? Garlic can have anticoagulant properties and increase the risk of bleeding in individuals who are already taking anticoagulant medications. If you are taking any anticoagulant such as warfarin, heparin, enoxaparin, or rivaroxaban, it is important to consult with your doctor before adding large amounts of garlic to your diet. Garlic can be irritating to the gastrointestinal tract and may worsen symptoms in individuals with gastrointestinal conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, or chronic heartburn. In these cases, it is advisable to consume garlic in moderation or avoid it. Some individuals may be allergic or sensitive to garlic. Symptoms may include skin rashes, itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms after consuming garlic, it is important to seek medical attention. Due to its anticoagulant effect, garlic may increase the risk of bleeding during or after surgery. It is recommended to avoid consuming large amounts of garlic before a scheduled surgical procedure. What is better, raw garlic or cooked garlic? Eating garlic on an empty stomach is not highly recommended because the stomach is empty and garlic interacts with stomach acid, which can cause discomfort. It is most advisable to consume 1 clove of raw garlic per day, which can be minced into very small pieces and added to salads or pasta. Raw garlic contains a substance called allicin, which is formed or released when fresh garlic is cut, minced, or crushed. To get the most benefit from allicin, the garlic should be allowed to rest for about 2 to 3 minutes before consuming. Allicin has been associated with various health benefits, including antimicrobial, cardiovascular, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin in raw garlic is sensitive to heat and is quickly lost when cooked. Therefore, consuming raw garlic may be beneficial to maximize the active compounds. Cooked garlic has a milder flavor and aroma compared to raw garlic, which may make it more enjoyable for some individuals. Additionally, cooked garlic tends to be more easily digestible, which can be beneficial for those who experience gastrointestinal discomfort with raw garlic, and it may also increase the availability of other beneficial compounds, such as sulfur compounds. In what dishes can I use it? Garlic can be eaten in almost any meal, but I'll give you some recipes with garlic. Chicken with garlic. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, 6 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/2 onion, sliced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, juice of half a lemon, chopped parsley for garnish. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sliced onion, and cook until golden. Add the chicken breasts and cook them until they are golden on both sides. Squeeze the lemon juice over the chicken and season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook for a few more minutes until the chicken is well cooked. Serve the chicken with garlic and garnish with chopped parsley. Serve with rice or steamed vegetables as a side dish. Pasta aglio e olio. Ingredients: 250 grams of pasta, preferably spaghetti, 4 to 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of olive oil, crushed red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley for garnish. Cook the pasta in salted water according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain it and reserve a little cooking water. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat and add the minced garlic and crushed red pepper flakes. Cook for a few minutes until the garlic is golden but not burned. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet and toss it well to coat it with the garlic oil. If necessary, add a little reserved cooking water to obtain a lighter sauce. season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the pasta aglio e olio and garnish it with grated Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. In summary, garlic is a superfood, and it is preferable to eat it raw and crushed, but if you prefer, you can cook it and add it to your favorite dishes. If you weren't eating garlic before, I hope this video has motivated you to eat more garlic, and your health will thank you for it.